tingin nyo ba ma'am may dapat ma-fire dito sa COMELEC dahil nag-leak ang data ng buong Pilipinas?
Well, I told that in the meeting, I said that in the meeting we should also ask the question of accountability
Yeah.
dito.
For you, who is
Say,
accountable?
for example, there are many other things here. Like transmission before in the past elections, di ba? The transmission rate was not very satisfactory. Tinatanong ko lagi, sino nagkulang? Kasi hindi naman pwede, gobyerno, Commission on Elections tayo eh. Pag nagka-problema tayo, sunod na election na naman. And nobody. We do not have a study para we learn from our lessons.
So you think
Or we
head
learn
should
from
rule-
our mistakes.
Head should rule in COMELEC?
I don't know if heads should roll, but I think that we have called the director of the ITD to explain why this happened and what do they intend to do to make our website more secure.
Do you think head should roll dito sa COMELEC? Sa mga
If there is gross neglect, that is a ground under the civil service rules. If there is gross neglect.
ano pong sabi ng
Pero ang sabi ng ibang officers sa COMELEC, wala naman daw website na hindi nahahack. Ewan ko kung totoo yan.